There are only two metrics that matter the most when it comes to whether your video goes viral. No, it's not hashtags, descriptions, or your posting time. It's the swipe rate and average view percentage. Just a week ago, I started a new YouTube Shorts channel with the aim of reaching monetization in 30 days. I thought I'd document it weekly. So here's what I did in week 1. On day 1, before creating my channel, I had to find a niche. I chose a topic of my interest, fitness, since I am pretty knowledgeable about it. I plan to create educational content and repurpose it with existing media, ensuring it's transformative to align with YouTube's reused content policy. To do this, I'll use 11 Labs to generate voiceovers, particularly the voice of Adam, based on my own written script, and use CapCut for effects, transitions, and animated captions. This way, it'll be eligible for monetization. So I started working on my first video. For brainstorming ideas, I look at the Shorts feed or TikTok to find similar content that's successful for inspiration. When it comes to scripting, I usually write my own, but often, I'll use scripts of viral videos as a starting point. I use websites like YouTube Transcript or TalkScript to retrieve scripts of viral videos, reword them using ChatGPT, and then make my own personal adjustments to match my writing style. I'm not just copying, I'm adapting the content to fit my video idea. After that, I generate the voiceover, gather clips of famous influencers that align with my script, add effects, transitions, and animated captions, and boom, my first video is complete. I uploaded it, but for hours it remained at 0 views. Unhappy with that, I quickly created a second video. To my relief, it gained over 2,000 views within a few hours. For the next few days, I continued uploading once a day. A week later, I had a total of almost 100K views. It's not great, but at least my videos are still getting traction and haven't flatlined. Now let's talk analytics. There are only two metrics that matter the most when it comes to whether your video goes viral. No, it's not hashtags, descriptions, or your posting time. It's the swipe rate and average view percentage. The magic number for virality seems to be a swipe rate above 80%, and I believe swipe rate is more important than average view percentage. For instance, one video of mine got an 85% view rate on a 56-second video, but because the swipe rate was only 72%, it wasn't promoted as much as it could have been with a higher swipe rate. In contrast, another video had a swipe rate of 82% and a 79% view rate on a 60-second video, and YouTube pushed this video much harder due to the swipe rate difference. Another factor to note is that patience pays off. I've noticed that virality often takes time with YouTube's algorithm. Some of my videos only gain traction after a week or two. For example, this video of mine were pretty much flatlined for the first 5 days, and then it started getting views, and after the 10th day it goes crazy. Similarly, this video wasn't getting much attention, but after the 5th day it starts to get picked up by the algo, and after the 7th day it went from 500K to 8 million views in just a week. So, what's the takeaway? Focus on quality and be patient. The stats will speak for themselves, and the algorithm will eventually work in your favor. I hope this video has given you some valuable insights into the world of YouTube Shorts. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates on my 30-day monetization challenge. Until next time, bye.